Yoni Prashanti from the Yomogi House. Today was my birthday, it still is, and it was raining really, really hard outside, and I could not go out without getting wet and cold. I have watched every movie you can think of, and I was totally bored with myself. So I got busy and took out my sewing machine. I made a very big fuss on Facebook about wearing masks, and I personally myself did not have one, a proper one. I don't even know what's proper. So anyway, I made some masks. And of course, you gotta get, you live in Eugene, you need to have a tie-dye mask, right? Here, see, this is a tie-dye mask. I dyed this last year with blackberries that I had removed from the bush. And this actually is one of those tea towels, tea towel, I think that's what they're called. And these straps are a bitch to make, so you don't make them. You cut around the towel stitching, and then because it's a hippie tie-dye, they don't need to be perfect. So you'll have a lot of stragglers like this, but who cares? It's just, you're just gonna, and you know what, this is reversible, see? So I made this, and this is, yeah, it's big. It is big, and this was inspired by a nurse that I saw on YouTube, and she said that this was like the best mask ever, but her mask was one long cord, which I couldn't figure out. So I made two long cords. I do not like the ones that go around my ear because I have ears that stick out and the elastic kind of hurts my ear. So this is how you wear this. You put it around here like this, and you tie it in the back, right? And then I was so stupid. I forgot to put the wire in this one. So this is not like a really good protection. But the cool thing about this is you can tighten it up here on the side. Get my earrings out. And then you can lengthen this over here. Covers your neck. Corona can't get in from here or through here, but because I forgot the wire, well, maybe if you put your glasses on. There you go. Now it's not going to get in. It's so hard to breathe in these things. Okay. Look at that. It covers your neck. These would be really good for winter because I believe I heard that this thing was going to come back in the fall or the winter time. So here's another one I made. And I used yarn. And I purposely made this black on the other side because how many of you are not washing your masks? You know, it's really important to wash your mask. They're just like your grocery bags. They're dirty, especially the masks. And so black, actually, you'll be able to see your snot and your saliva on there, right? So here's another one. And like I said, it goes down, like right down on your neck. That's perfect. So I actually made, the very first one I made has wire in it. This is a pipe cleaner. And I guess I'll have to wear this when it gets, when it comes back again in the fall. I'm going to eventually have to go out of the house and go shopping. So this one, it covers all the way up to here, your whole entire face, and it has the wire right here. I can pinch it really tight, and then it covers my neck. Or you don't have to cover your neck. You can fold it up like this. Keep your neck free if it's, too hot, but it kind of acts like a scarf. Covers your neck. Okay. And this fabric comes from Pakistan. The best fabric to use is batik because they don't use those formaldehyde fixatives in the fabric, if you can find batik. Most of the fabrics that we get is from China, and it is full of formaldehyde. This cloth, this comes from Pakistan. I don't even know if that's, I don't know if it's any better, but look around and try to see if you can find something that's, you know, less chemicals in them. And I don't know how you get formaldehyde out of your fabric. Maybe like soak the hell out of it. I also read that, um, I read that you can get the coronavirus through farts. This was like really, it was on Fox News or some news like that, but people are like, well, our butthole's already filtered, so that'll be okay, right? Um, and it's in feces. And also, I came across, I was watching Project Camelot, one of those conspiracy things. She says she's not, but she said the next pandemic is going to be sexually transmitted. So think about making some filters for your your private parts. Just kidding. You know, when you stay home and you eat a bunch of sugar, you get kind of wired. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video. It's unfiltered and it is not edited, and this is like having a real true conversation with Peony.